One of my family favorites is fried rice, so let's whip it up. Stick with me for a second. It doesn't matter how much rice that you put in your pot, because we are gonna use the finger method as far as for the water. Here's your hand. You're going to put the water until you reach that first crease right there. So I'm gonna show you. But we're gonna wash it first. We're gonna wash it about 4 to 5 times until it comes out fairly clean. There's a lot of debate on if you should wash your rice or not, and I do because I get mine from the Thai store. So I'm gonna wanna wash it. Right here, okay? You get that? Perfect. In the rice cooker it goes, and cook. So just now let it cook. Rice is done, so trust me on this, we're going to add 1 stick of butter right on top, and then we're going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add in some house seasoning. You can just sub with more soy sauce if you want, or whatever spices or sauces that you like. We're just gonna add that right in there. And then I am gonna do a touch of soy sauce. And then shut it and let it melt, because it's gonna be good. Let me tell you about ghee. It's clarified butter, and it's so much better than actually using butter. It makes your food taste so much better. So this is what we're gonna use for our fried rice. So we're going to do, oh, it opens so easily. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of ghee. That's like probably 3. And then we're gonna add in some more soy sauce. We're gonna let that all marinate. And then for fun, because I like this chili crunch, we're going to add some to the base. So after the butter is melted, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes, look at that, all melted. Then we're going to mix it together. So this is what a normal rice thing looks like. But then my mom goes and gets me this. Look at that. Asians are just too much, too much. I'm gonna use the big one. So we're just going to mix it all together. Smells so good. Smells good. So we're gonna take our rice and we're going just to throw it in the pot. It's not coming out. Okay, that's good enough. Let that ghee and sauce just marinate in there. I like a little bit of the Japanese barbecue sauce, and so we're going to add some of that. There we go. You gotta get it all, because it's good stuff. Don't waste it. Then a little more soy sauce. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil. You don't need a lot because it's super strong. So we're just gonna add just a bit. I am cooking this on low heat. So for about 2 to 3 minutes, let that cook. After you mix all of your sauces in there, and then you can also do a taste test to make sure that you have enough salt or we need to add a little bit of pepper. Now we're gonna add some mixed vegetables. You can cut them up if you want. There's peas, carrots, green beans in here. You can do it fresh if you want, but that takes a lot of time. So we're gonna cut corners and we're gonna do just a bag of the mixed veggies. And so I'm not gonna use the whole bag. I'm gonna use about half of it. And we're going to spread it all in there. All right, taste test. Maybe a little bit more soy sauce and a little bit of pepper. This is where you can adjust your taste, and you can do that at any time. Just a little more soy sauce, some pepper. I'm just gonna drizzle it right over the top. So now let's add in our eggs. I am just gonna do a little mountain here, just like that. Looks so pretty. Let's crack in 2 eggs. And then let that cook for just a second. Let's mix these eggs. Mix it real good with your oversized spatula. I'm so hungry. Is it done yet? All right, so now let's try this fried rice. It looks so good. I'm eating it tonight with some bang bang chicken, which you can watch the previous video to get the recipe for that. So let's dig in. Itadakimasu. So good. Try it. You're gonna love it. I recommend. Put the two together. It's good.